The exchange theory of aging, as elucidated by Homans and Blau, unveils the intricate dance of social relationships influenced by the principles of social exchange theory. Principle: social exchange theory posits that human interactions are driven by a process of exchanging resources to maximize rewards and minimize costs. Individuals navigate their social landscapes with resources to offer and receive. Key points: Homans and Blau interpret social behavior as a reinforcement mechanism, where actions are reinforced by rewards and deterred by punishments. Aging, according to their perspective, results in a depletion of valuable resources for older adults. This loss diminishes their influence in social networks, rendering them more dependent and less appealing as exchange partners. The consequences may manifest as social isolation, marginalization, and exploitation, leading to reduced self-esteem, diminished social support, and a lower quality of life. Example from Bangladesh context. In the Bangladeshi context, consider the plight of older widowed or divorced women. Their experience aligns with the exchange theory of aging as they grapple with the loss of economic and social resources. The erosion of income, property, and family support diminishes their standing in the community, leaving them susceptible to poverty, discrimination, and abuse. The resulting loneliness, depression, and hopelessness stem from a dearth of opportunities for meaningful interaction and emotional support. This theory unveils a poignant narrative, illustrating how the ebb and flow of resources and social exchanges profoundly shape the experiences of aging individuals, particularly in diverse cultural contexts like Bangladesh.